Welcome to EduPlay Junction. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hello, little friends. Today, let's learn about vehicles. Get ready. Let's go. This is a car. It takes us to the school, market, and long trips. This is a truck. It carries heavy things from one place to another. This is a scooter. It's fun and easy to ride in the city. This is a bicycle. We pedal it with our feet. It keeps us strong and healthy. This is a school bus. It picks up children and drops them safely to the school. This is an ambulance. It takes sick people quickly to the hospital. This is a fire engine. It helps firefighters to put out fires. This is an aeroplane. It flies high in the sky and takes us far away. This is a ship. It sails on the water and carries people and the goods. This is a train. It runs on tracks and can be very long. This is a van. It is used to carry goods or many people. This is a horse cart. It is pulled by a horse and moves slowly. This is a helicopter. It flies up with spinning blades and can land on the rooftops too. This is a motorbike. This runs very fast and is used by many people. This is a tractor. It helps farmers in the fields. This is a rocket. It goes to the space and explores the stars and the moon. This is a hot air balloon. It floats gently in the sky with hot air inside. This is an autorickshaw. It gives a funny ride in the city. This is a police car. It helps the police to catch the bad guys and keep us safe. Kids, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.